Hi, buddy. Okay, stop. No, down. No dogs. Hi, Joey. Good morning. No, this isn't food. What's this? What's this? Joey, you're a good donkey. Nice Storm. Hey Rusty, you a good horse? Can I pet you? Who's a good horse? Hey guys, so there's something I've been super interested in, that's compost toilets, and they happen to have it here. They don't have any normal toilets. One of the reasons I came here is to learn that. So basically what you got is a bucket and a seat, and in this is like brown stuff. By brown I mean like chipped wood sawdust, and then you have more sawdust there, and you push this in, you just take a dump in there and then take sawdust and throw in there. And it doesn't smell or anything. You cover it and then you're done. This is their beautiful bathroom, by the way. That's a nice bathtub. And yeah, that's how compost toilet thing works. So we're going to the bazaar to do some shopping for the animals and for ourselves. And hey Mimi! Hey! Hi, tripod. No touch. It's the tuk-tuk we're taking. So this is what we've done so far. And right now I'm making some of these to put them here like that for support, and the other beam comes here using this crazy saw. Alright, this is gonna be loud. Here we go. I like to stop the blade before doing anything else. And there we have it. Nice piece to use for support. I need 8, 6, so that's 2 more. I think you can get 2 out of here, but damn, I did it on the wrong side. I'm gonna have to cut this up. Rusty, you a good girl? You a good girl, Rusty? Yes, you are, aren't you? Oh, you're a good girl. You are. What are we doing?
With Chicken Town,
Yeah, what are we doing right now?
we're gonna put on the stabilizers
All
on the
right.
other end.
And this is the Chicken Town.
And
So this chicken in the corner, this head down, is the new chicken we got yesterday. And the other ones are bullying it. Hey, don't bully it. Let it be, let it be. But once we get this chicken coop done, we'll have more space for them, so maybe that'll be better.
everybody chill.
But
They're actually pecking each other too, so I'm not sure.
Whoa.
Everything okay?
Yep.
I should have used tired meat. That's the answer.
Yeah.
Carrier out here? That must be at the house.
The black one?
A baby carrier?
What carrier are we talking about?
One of the ones that ties her to me.
carrier, okay.
Yeah, like a kangaroo.
Whoa.
What happened?
Just came off while I was trying to readjust.
Okay.
Guess
Either
it
these
goes
are large.
enough?
It may be either use a different angle or a larger screw.
Or I guess maybe the hole's not deep enough.
Oh, lunar whale. Now, Sierra, are you meeting Chris then?